It's Red Shirt Friday, so hope you got your red shirts on. Remember, everyone deployed. So today, just gonna talk about what do you do when the weather's bad when you're out in your RV. It's been raining here for the last good 24 hours. You could see we got some puddles here. And I'll tell you, one of the things that I do when I'm here especially is I worry about the creek rising. So last year, where I'm standing, I would probably be, last July, I would be under 8 foot of water. And I'm in Texas, and if you remember the floods in Texas last year, they were devastating. The property we're on here was pretty much devastated. The home back there had 5 foot of water in it, so our RV would have, been sitting in about 7 foot of water easily. That swimming pool that's there was actually washed away. Well, the one that was there, this is a new one, but the swimming pool was washed away. 2 full-size pickup trucks were totally washed across the property. And all from one day's rain. And this here creek is the culprit. So last year when we were here in April, there was absolutely no water in this creek. And today it's up probably about 2 foot from yesterday, and I hope it stays there. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, is I'm worrying about, we're in a flood watch, and it's supposed to rain, and that flood watch started at 9 o'clock last night and goes to 9 o'clock tonight. So that's currently what I'm doing in this weather, is watching that creek and hoping it doesn't rise. So, but the thing you got to remember is, as Ryan Hall, if you guys don't know Ryan Hall, y'all, he's a great meteorologist on YouTube. Does some great things in the community. I bet you he was even down here helping out last year in July when they had the floods. As Ryan Hall says, don't be scared, be prepared. So we are prepared. And I'm keeping my eye on that creek because it was a flash flood last year. I mean, that creek here came up, I'm talking like 8 foot where I'm standing within a matter of hours. So we're just keeping an eye on it, and we have an exit plan to get out of here if we have to. So hopefully God won't let that happen again this year, but it has in the past. So, and talking about those floods last year, besides remembering everyone deployed, remember our first responders. They went through hell last year dealing with the floods here in Texas. All those children that were lost in the floods. There's even, I was reading the other day, there's a 7-year-old who was never found that was washed away in the floods. And there was also the fire chief from one of the towns who was washed away. His body's never been found. So, when you remember everyone deployed on Red Shirt Fridays, keep the first responders in mind as well, because they're definitely remembering everyone deployed in the military. So anyway, so so for you, what do you do on a rainy day? We don't always sit here and worry about the creek, obviously, but this is a different situation than a normal rainy day. Do you go to the mall? Do you go to the movies? Do you go out for lunch, out for dinner, out for breakfast? What do you do as an RVer on a rainy day? I know a lot of times we can sit around and play cards in the clubhouse, things of that nature, and so there's generally plenty of things to do. I do know, like our Starlink, if it's raining heavy, we have trouble with the Starlink once in a while. But again, It's a rainy day. What do y'all do on a rainy day? Have a great Friday, everyone.